Hello guys, good morning. Okay, so today I'm gonna take you to the Malaysia largest mechanical keyboard event. It's happened at SAGI University at Damansara. So basically, this is the poster and this is the booth that joined the event. And then you will see their name tag is very special because it's made from the real keyboard motherboard. You can see the wording Malaysia Mechanical Keyboard Meetup 2024. And yeah, it's a real motherboard that we can make really real keyboard. Okay, so I'm gonna take you to go through what you guys can find at this event. Over here we have keyboard from Uchu Club. So the keyboard is very cute and they're also selling desk mat. It's 120 ringgits, all very cute. And this one they also sell sticker, keyboard, keycaps, and goodie and some plushie over here. This company is from Singapore. They got keycap making experience. So basically you guys can make your own keycap over here. Hello Zen.
Hello.
Okay, so basically Zen is the one of the organizer over here.
Yeah.
So any word?
Hi everyone. Thanks for coming and hope to see you guys in the next one. This has been awesome.
Yeah. Next year coming
Next year, already planning.
And let's move over here. This is from KBD Fans. So this is where they display their keyboard and keycaps. Many unique design. And over here we have from Respawn Gaming Tech. So this is their lineup. And what's make this unique is this is actually glass, really smooth. And then we're gonna go inside Key Pass student pass area. Basically this area is like where there's a lot of people showcase their own keyboard. All very unique, very customized, very expensive also. So I'm gonna take you go through one by one keyboard. This one very cute. Oh, I like this color. It's like in the movie Joker. And this is a really small keyboard. And I believe this, yeah, all custom made. Not sure if you guys cannot see or not. And let's move to this area. This keyboard is fully made using Lego. You guys can see. And yeah, oh, this is very cute also. And this very unique. Actually, I like this concept because it doesn't have any a cover. And it's fully exposed. You can actually see the PCB inside. And this too. And this is very clicky because the moment you press the key, it got some kind of mechanical hardware. See when I press, it's make a really satisfying sound. And this is really unique keyboard also. You can type using both hands. So maybe your hand is like this and your other hand is like this. Let's see. And this one is 3D printed keyboard. The case, the keycaps is 3D printed. Really nice concept also. And this one is I don't know, very unique, the keyboard. Oh, it's the holder, but I don't dare to take out. And at the outside there's more vendor from different brand. So this one is from ATK with a very cute mouse. Really cute, like a cat shit. And this is, I think, dog. So this one, another vendor that's selling their own keyboard and mouse. This one nice, really nice pattern. Oh, from Bright Star. So basically this is the brand that showcase the product here. And this one from MYMK, Malaysia. This is their lineup of keyboard. And this one is by Razer. Okay guys, basically this is all you can expect at this event. So don't forget to stay tuned. I think they're gonna make the same event next year. So this is basically the largest mechanical keyboard event in Malaysia. So bye bye.